Embedding a subscription calendar into your website has never been easier with CalGet. In this video, we'll take a look at how embedding can help you get more followers and subscribers for your calendars. Let's get started. Let's firstly head to our Embeddable calendar and scroll down and copy the HTML code for this calendar. We are now going to paste this code in a HTML preview tool. Here we can see how our calendar renders and we can see up-to-date information from our calendar. Now let's head back to CalGet and add a new event to this calendar. Once we've successfully created our new event, we can hit refresh and see that it is automatically added to the embedded view in real time. Another additional feature is the ability to customize the appearance of our embeddable calendar. To do this, simply hit customize and make the changes, such as updating the color of the calendar and toggle to show or hide the CalGet logo. Now let's take a look at what an embedded subscription calendar looks like on a website. Here I'm in Wix, and if I add a code module to my page and paste the HTML, it should render as normal. However, in this example, we haven't added our website's domain to the allowed list. So let's head back into CalGet, add our website link, navigate back to Wix, refresh our page, and see that yes, the embed has been successful and the calendar appears on our website. CalGet gives you the flexibility to create and display calendars that truly enhance your website and increase your engagement. Start embedding your events today and take your scheduling to the next level with CalGet.